PNP Badge of Honor. Upon taking the oath and assumption to office, you are invested by the people and the law with the authority as a law enforcer. The PNP badge now pinned on your left breast is the symbol of that legal authority. It is so placed nearer your heart to remind you of the fidelity and dedication to duty expected of you as a public servant. You have been entrusted with the badge as a symbol of your worthiness as a police officer to serve and protect the people, from whom you derive the power and authority to enforce the laws of the land without fear or favor. You are to oversee the general welfare of the people and ensure that peace and order is maintained at all times. You shall ever be mindful that the police is the protector of the weak, defender of the innocent, and advocate of human rights. At the center of your badge is the PNP seal, held bravely by our hero Lapu-Lapu, the first Filipino to defend our country against foreign invaders, despite being inferiorly equipped. Inside the seal are the virtues of service, honor, and justice. They remind you to always render the highest form of public service for our fellow men. You are to serve the citizenry with the commitment of sacrifice and willingness to die in the service of God, country, and people. Duty and honor now bind you to be faithful to the trust bestowed upon you by the people. Your badge reminds you to maintain the dignity of your characters at all times and to strenuously enforce by example a steady obedience to the laws of the land. Exemplary conduct on your part will convince our people that you merit the just title and authority as you patrol the streets and walk your daily beat. Walk tall, head up, and bravely face the daily dangers of duty. Keep the badge unsullied and free of any breach of fidelity. By the regularity of your conduct, always endeavor to avoid any aspersion against our institution. You are to preserve our cherished customs and traditions and never contest and deviation from them nor allow them to be infringed. Your dignity as a police officer symbolized by the badge is now pinned on your heart. Never swerve from your solemn oath of office, violate your vows, or betray the public trust. You are a police officer. Wear your badge with honor.
Salamat. Nahiya nga ako.
Kumusta naman po yung pamimigay natin ng kung nakakatulong naman po ba sa inyo, kung kahit kung parang yun.
Maraming salamat. Hanggang dito sa Bukod makakating kayo.
Ito hindi tayo siyang magkakaroon.
Sige. Opo, sige po na. Tabi niya lang.
Maraming salamat sa mga naitutulong sa amin ni Sir.
PCR sa RCSP.
Laking po na salamat.
Gusto mo bang ipagpatuloy pa namin yung pamimigay doon, yung mga programa ng RCSP?
Pagkakapag binigyan niyo, maraming doon. Pagkagalit. Ang dalawa nga si Tinino.
Dahil lahat naman po nabibigyan, di ba?
Kahit nga hindi Gabriel na. Binigyan niyo.
Opo. Ewa po. Yan lang po na.
Rika.
Yan na.
Maraming salamat sa mga naitutulong sa Barangay Kupang na ako'y inyong natutulungan. Sobrang pasasalamat kay Sir
Ito, sa PCR po natin, sa RCSP.
sa
RCSP po. RCSP.
RCSP.
Opo.
Malaking pasalamat doon sa Barangay Kupang.
Yun po, marami.
Umbrella.
Magandang tanghali po. Ako po si Patrolman Gatchelian ng Mobile Post Battalion ng Southern Police District ng Battalion Community Affairs Section. Narito po tayo upang magbigay ng libreng sakay sa ating mga kababayan ng Taguig. At manghihingi po tayo ng kanilang pananaw kung ano po ang naidudulot ng ating libreng sakay sa kanila. Ma'am, ano pong pangalan niyo, ma'am? Ma'am Darnina, ano po bang masasabi niyo sa aming pagbibigay po ng libreng sakay?
Malaking tulong na rin po sa mga magulang din dahil para sa mga estudyante, yun nga po, isa kasi delikado na rin ang sitwasyon nito.
Maraming salamat po. Ma'am, ano pong pangalan niyo, ma'am?
Janet po.
Ay, Ma'am Janet. Ma'am, baka may komento po kayo para po sa ginagawa po naming libreng sakay.
Ay, maraming salamat po doon sa programa niyo po na libre sakay para sa mga estudyante, kagaya ng sa mga anak namin. Malaking tulong po yon para makabawas sa budget pamasahe. Sayang din kasi pamasahe sir. Kaya namang kakari. Bawas sa araw-araw. Kasi kung galing bukas hanggang school, 20 isang sinin ng mga sidecar.
Pero ulo po yun, ma'am. Okay, sige. O, ito ka sa dulo. Sa dulo. Bawal ang bata sa una. O, sa dulo na. Ano ba siya? Sabi ka na sa amin. Ilan na ba? Para hindi na maglakad.
Maraming salamat po sa Southern Police.
Thank you. Thank you.